Hello, hello. La nili chuming rigantung Arviana karja prong korti chikle maratum an Arlona adim do piglang nanglitum arjap nang ne Arlowang pen nanglitum kang ni adim do lasin nanglitum Arlowang tami Arlo wang long le ingilong le pulpuson ave Arlo dim do piglang suki do piglang lasi aray pen kichicharik pameme nanglitum Arlo wang pen ladatang ni adim long pen ingni pen lang pamelong chi lasin nanglitum wang ighurtami anu nganat la aki era kaparja prong emso la so anu ngalong suki do olang nanglitum kado kabe same Arlo wang pen kami ingni pen lang tami de
performance. Thank you so much, dear performers from Dimahasao Autonomous Council, for showcasing your beautiful and graceful performance and also coming all the way from Dimahasao and participating here. We are very much grateful and honored to have you with us tonight. So dear friends, now we would like to take this opportunity to felicitate the group leader, requesting the group leader to please come forward for the felicitation. And also requesting my dear colleague to please do the honor. We would like to give you our Karpi traditional poho as a token of love and appreciation, and also we would like to give you a bouquet of flowers. Let us please give them a huge round of applause.
Non Dimahasao cultural troupe kandet penapilotang te litum tekbonlongji lake Mara cultural dance. Thank you so much, Dimasa cultural troupe, for performing a beautiful dance. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for us to witness the Salakia dance, which will be performed by the performers from Mara Autonomous District Council. So let us please welcome them with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, before that, we would like to invite the team leader of the Mara Autonomous Council. Mara Autonomous Council, District Council Ahinpen, ilitum kachinghon Honorable CM Sarapan kachuro lapen ke kupi pajir jia sondo pusi nang pachini lasi non alang lihinpen alang lipan lapen ke ilitum Honorable EM Sar in charge art and culture art and culture in charge akahai Surjo Rongpar lapen ke ilitum kachinghon Karbi Cultural Society Amai Pu Akehai Chandra Singh Kro alang litum apan kachoroji pan si chisik pusi nang pachini laseno na bangke alang litum mahinpen labang so kachoro asay bang sideng ponpo lapen ke stage long litum tek pon long lo lake Mara Autonomous District Council pen Mizoram pen Kado Kovita Asik Tipen Richard Epiur Hinang ilitum kachinghon Honorable CM Sarapan Mara alang litum apinding sumpot aputup lapuson alang lipan karchopon peduik bomlo adon tu ilitum kachinghon Honorable EM Sar ke Hai Surjo Rongpar in charge Art and Culture Department KEC alang lipan stamedu lapen ke ilitum kachinghon KCS amai pu ake Hai Chandra Singh Kro alang lipan stame lapuson pipajir pon bom lo lapen ke stage along abang kel tum ke tek pon long lake Solakia dance pu Mara Autonomous District Council atake Mara Community pen ham Mizoram pen salang letum ke kevang ase ke tepen Richard Epihur senang The Solakia dance is a warrior dance from the Mara community of Mizoram that celebrates victory in war. The dance is characterized by 5 main movements that mimic the actions of the hero in battle. The dance is performed to the beat of a gong, cymbals, or drums. The dance is performed by men and women, with the hero dancing in the middle, while the others stand in circle. The word so means unnatural dance. Solakia dance means of the Mara community, and Kia from refers to something done with knowledge and understanding. Here is presenting Solakia dance of the Mara community from Mizoram.
District Council. So why not? We also enjoyed it and we had in Caribbean. So now, please take this performance from Mara Autonomous Team Leader to please come forward for giving this beautiful experience special occasion in Caribbean. So now, may I also like to take this privilege to invite the team leader, my dear colleague, to come forward and to do the speech in this special occasion.
Namaste.
And I would also like to felicitate the team leaders. So
Hello,
requesting
Garbi.
my dear colleague to come forward and to do the felicitation.
I can't hear you. Namaste. Hello, Garbi. Hello, Garbi. Under the 6th Scheduled Constitution of India, we are enshrined under the umbrella of preserving our culture, literature, and all. So, there was Northeast in the Northeast 10th Autonomous Council. And Karbi Autonomous KAC is the eldest, I think. And we represent Mara from Mizoram. And we are the farthest and the youngest, it seems. We became on 29 April 1972. So we are 50 years. 50 years completed. 50 years and completed. The last October, our promising leaders and our were having a meeting at Ceylon. And they decided to have cultural exchange program. So because of that, I as Amara young boy, the brotherhood, the cultural exchange fruitful for the next generation to become developing, promoting our culture and all, literature and all. So in this regard, our CEM, Honorable CM Mr. Laiko, told me, we should the farthest and the hardest transportation you have to go through. You have to attend. You have to. We took 68 hours journey from Siahat to your hospitality, your father will bring the future tribal autonomous council in a better shape generation to come. Our cultural programs will fruitful in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. Tang tenona bangke, litum aduntu. Akhay tum ke kan bang lelang pon nang sitabe labangso ke kan lang lir prang ningarong pik Atheke good news pupu hai. Good news Arjuntung ke diha. Arjuntung ke diha. Pamohet kang puhud itum KCS amay tru Chandrisingkro alang lihin Chandrisingkro alang honorable CM Sarhan honorable CM Sarhan Pon kila puhen lo aninkan atheke 2025 bangke Karbiang long hirong sopile talong sampile Talon dukavi atheke India isitaminang thegdunlongpo puselang lihin pen alang liphan lam theki bidolo la pen ke answer da longet lo kachikroy kre nang litum puun ma athe ilitum kaching hon honorable CM sir ke chingki me pikapot si Croy Edlo Donatum. La Simone nga bangke ilitum karbiang longti. Hodel Herong Supilo. La penke alang li ilitumapan. Alam siyak ng sipilo je itum mo la muning karbiang longti ka celebrate huda bangke aluhisar po manpen. Honorable President of India, Kalite, Honorable Prime Minister of India, hanke van vek po pusalang lihin pa yung ili tumapan lamte, lamchak ng sipilo lasi, alang lipan ningkang sam, lapan yung kachurong tek ase kachipen Richard de Pursina. Alang lison ning kami gavelo. Thank you so much sir lapuson nang lining kami penili tumapan arni kami ansa sinagawan piyapot. Lapen ke, lancho ta kalila. Laso karbiang long di ka celebrate hutsi. Hotel herong supilong kikimbom. Karbi pavan si taming pupon po doon to. La sila puson ning kachaparong along. Nona bangkil tum tekpon long po. Chakma Autonomous Council ahinpen alang litum Chakma Dance. At heke tenga bangga den nach pusipulo. La sila bangso tenga bangga nach itum lang liaprang alang litum ahinpen. At heke Chakma Autonomous District Council ahinpen itum kachinghon Honorable CM Sarapan Karchoji apan si Chisik pusi nang pachini la si I request the Chakma Autonomous District Council to kindly do the honor of felicitating our Honorable CM.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for us to witness a little different and also very special. So what are we waiting for? Now it's time for us to witness the Chakma dance. They will be performing the Tenga Bhanganach. And they have come all the way from Chakma Autonomous District Council. So let us please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Tenga Banga dance, a traditional Chakma dance that vividly tells the story of how two young lovers meet amidst the serene beauty of a jhum, of a traditional agricultural field. In the olden days, jhum cultivation was not only a source of livelihood, but also a place where simple pleasures of life were experienced. Young men and women would venture into these fields to gather vegetables, often seizing the opportunity to meet their beloveds. This evening, our performers will take you on a journey to such moment. The dance portrays a young man wandering through the jhum, longing for his beloved. As he plays a soulful tune on the bazi, the traditional Chakma flute, he calls out to her with a melodic style known as Raj Dagoni. Enchanted by the music, the young woman is drawn to the sound and they joyfully unite, presenting you a beautiful performance, the Chakma Tenga Banga Nach. Isi kachuning riji la kailangan tumabang kipu dun lapu ason na hir pinang ne kirodon bang erodon tamede ha aning oy si tame lapu kipu dun abang aning oy lak tahayal tel tum kachop hapon pamepot lasi ning chaparang dun nang alang tapan rodon nang Richard Epi hor dun nang de.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the Tenga Bhanganach, we will witness the dance from Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. So requesting them to please be ready and be prepared at the backstage. Thank you.
Hello, check, check, check. Hello, hello, check, hello, check, check, check. Hello, check, check.
Poranda juroni mueco
Buge ditun belan uder rangagurine ega mone agong munagor tore babine
Otong dili sunilayo adano ane. Otong dili sunilayo adano
tore joke ido du dibo soke mor muk porai tore joke ido du dibo soke mor muk porai মন্দির লোক লরহ দালো জকে লাগতং পোরা সকে মর খুব জুরো মন্দির লোক নবাঙিব পরহ দালো তরে জকে লাগতং পোরা সকে মর খুব জুরো তরে জকে লাগতং পোরা সকে মর খুব জুরো Thank you.
Thank you so much, dear performers from Chakma Autonomous District Council, for representing the beautiful Tengabhanga Nach. So, ladies and gentlemen, now may I please invite the group leader to please come forward for the felicitation and to also deliver speech in this special occasion. Requesting the group leader to please come forward, and also requesting my colleague to please do the honor of felicitating her.
Good evening to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Denu Chakma, Art and Culture Officer, Art and Culture Department, CADC. It's a great honor for us to perform in front of you all. It's a privilege for us from CADC, Art and Culture Department, Mizoram, to perform such a beautiful Northeast Sixth Schedule Autonomous Council Cultural Exchange event. It is such a great event. Looking forward to see many more events, and let's come together and perform the same unequal dance together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam, for your valuable words. Ladies and gentlemen, now let us witness Let us witness the dance by the performance who have come all the way from Tripura. So, with a huge round of applause, let us please welcome the dancer from Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. Requesting the dancer to please come forward and take over the stage. And I would also like to request the dancer from Bodoland Territorial Region to please be ready and prepared at the backstage.
The Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council are going to present a dual dance called Mamita Dance and Goria Dance. Mamita Dance is a significant cultural expression of the Tripuri tribe performed during the harvest season as a way to express gratitude and seek blessings for a fruitful harvest. Both male and female members actively participate in this dance, creating a sense of community and shared celebration. The dance is accompanied by traditional songs sung by the performers, and musical instruments such as kams, samui, and bamboo sticks contribute to the rhythmic and melodic elements of the performance. The music and dance together form a lively and vibrant celebration, reflecting the joy and abundance associated with the harvest. In Mamita dance, participants use specific props that add symbolic and visual elements to the performance. Female typically use balings, which are likely tools or items related to the harvesting of crops. This represents their active involvement in agricultural activities. On the other hand, male uses da, a large knife, as a prop. The use of these props adds authenticity to the dance, connecting it directly with the agricultural context and the tools traditionally used in farming. Mamita dance not only serves as a religious or ritualistic activity, but also as a social and cultural event that brings the Tripuri community together. Through this dance, they celebrate their connection to the land, the importance of agriculture, and their cultural identity. The combination of music, dance, and symbolic elements makes Mamita dance a rich and meaningful expression of the Tripuri tribe tradition and belief. Presenting to you all, Mamita dance by the Tripuri community.
Ashini talba o kartini talo o rajabo kayo shani mutar kangal mamitar O kangal mamitar wo Ganidang subrai kumtan subdaga dari betan habathai jumu thai remai thai bai di la shibu damdur no shuai bani phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi raja bo kayo oshani mutai nagal ba mitaro raja bo tano bishimothna daga to takum taro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi kangal ma mita ma kuna phadi phadi ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi kelai kenawi taksu sa ka kum bua ha polo sabai thai mani nugui bese sa kaza buo how mai tele kelai kenawi taksu sa ka ko bati bo khani yak khang na ridi ma ya no ruai bu phang phil tani khaching war khna ridi ba bu no ruai kakang ma ni bo momo ma ya ko teki sa sili to ko momo ma ni bo kakang ma ya ko teki sa sili to ko phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi jalani mutu asbe thaya kini sang ta sa balo jalani mutu asbe thaya kini sang ta sa phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi phadi cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi kayo ko sanya kiyo ko sanya nafsu ko nani kisra kubur chinoya kulo meme bo sanya momo bo sanya nafsu ko nani diliga rangma chinoya kulo kharo tini puru jama ute kini sa jama go tini puru jama ute kini sa jama go phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro phadi 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 cha lai ro phadi 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 ba ya ro hoi hoi kerar bai tal tamano kamaye korea bina sena fayo chalale balo balo maluma tabo tabo tabaya nung bo nung baya ama maluma tabo tabo tabaya nung bo nung baya ama maluma.
Wow, what a performance! A dance which is a blend of grace and cultural expressions. So non batai siya sigre pe feature na chota. Thank you so much, dear dancer from Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, from coming here and participating, and thank you for this beautiful experience. So ladies and gentlemen, we would like to also invite the team leader to please come forward and deliver a few words in this special occasion, and also requesting my dear colleague to please come forward and do the honor of felicitating the team leader.
Hello, Chair.
Good evening.
And also, we would like to thank Pradyot Debarma sir for allowing us land for constructions of Karbi Bhavan in Tripura. So we long karbi bhavan ki kimji aphan nasilang tumaphan churo parpik lo.
Thank you.
Penan parta ilitum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Hin Pensitami Ladak Tripura Tribal Atumaphan Ladak Longley Pekpon Etlo Alang Tumaphan Tripura Atumadak Nagachi Kimji Aphan Alang Tumamanta Longley Pekponiklo.
Kolum Khajotono. Hello, Karbi Anglong. This is my first time visit to Karbi Anglong. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके आप लोगों का हॉस्पिटलिटी खासतौर से TTADC की ओर से हमारे CM साहब को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना अच्छा आप लोग का कल्चर आप लोग का आइए विजिट कीजिए बहुत साल पहले मैंने सुना था कि त्रिपुरा कार्बी आंगलोंग यानी दिमासा बोरो हम लोग बाई बाई थे पहले बहुत साल पहले हम लोग बिछड़ गए थे तो अभी धीरे धीरे वो जो पहले का जो रिश्ता अभी फिर से बन रहा है इसलिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोग को थैंक यू हम भाई
Thank you so much. Thank you very much indeed for your presence. This is Don Marley Atum. Nona Banke. Ejang pi lover bangko alo do Don Marley Atum da ho. Ejang pi apan kuman ma tum lo ningi dok. Asi Don Marley Atum ente. Ilitum ka ceparjan bang pi. Malin tiso pi apan bangko alo ningi dok Don Marley Atum. Asi kita pen bangko alo malin tiso pi apan ningi dok. Ong sar nang hangoy nilipan. Pon long le. Ajan non Don Marley to. Apan panongsi. Arni keme production ahin pen just semet alang to my YouTube channel sitame 100k subscriber li etlo. Labang so jok si alang tum pining ve labang so stage along. Special performance nang tuma tengno. Mati ini tuma tengno itum tek ponong po Don Marley itum. Lasika dong eta. Na itum kirang jipan chusikor lo ma Don Marley itum. To jang de Don Marley itum malom so apor pina pila pro jang te ilitum kachupa Chaparjan bang pi malin tiso pi penan parta arni kime production ahin pen itum ke kan tek ponong po. Nona Banke ilitum kachupa Bodoland Territory Dance Performance. Alang itum ke kanamen labangke Dahal Tunguri Pusipulo, the war dance. So they are the Bodoland Territorial Region. They dance the cultural troops of the Bodoland Territorial Region. And they will be performing Dehal Tungudi, the war dance. We are privileged, we have a privilege to invite them. And also, ilitum along si Nonamat, ilitum along abang so achatay lang, Bodoland Territorial Region pen, alang itum ladak na itum apan kikran ng paklang ponik po. I request Hamren Musical Band to please report in the backstage. Hamren Musical Band to please report in the backstage. Hamren Musical Band, you are requested to report in the backstage.
What an energetic performance. Indeed, so energetic and so spiritful. We had so much fun. Thank you so much, dear performers, for coming here and participating. And so now we would like to felicitate the team leader. So requesting the team leader to please come forward for the felicitation. Chining Rila.
Kumat malong sar nang kihang inilipan. Ba kumarli mihai hang tu loi pula hai. Okay, anyway, malong sa por pena phile bodang che ilitum kachaparjan bang phi malin tisopi penan parta lekte pi pencheng lok ejang pi do laplo don marli atum pining veke Arni Kime production hin pen 100K special performance itum tak pining ve tekponik long da prang po lasinang itum jong si Arni Kime production YouTube channel subscribe non mata klem kilang pulotang te non amat subscribe hinodon marli atum Arni Kime production pu YouTube along toik non amat subscribe pit non lasim malom sa por pen no pulotang te ejang pi lek the pi tiso pi rong hang pi ing hi pi ka dokka ve tola podon marli atum lasin nangtung chising huluma penan parta don marli atum ejang pi lavar pu kilo na bang pu mate alun se po binong timong alang lisita me balang so por pena philo botang te lunang parju ponik pola se nona por bang khele tum kachopha alun se po mon kiri be ahin penitum lunar ju ponang don marli tum. And also would like to felicitate our invited artist Mon Kiri Be with Akarbi Poho. La sinona makel tum kachopha alun se po mon kiri be aphan itum arju ponik po la penalang lihin pen situm lunar ju ponik po.
Don Marletum. Mara community pen alang wallet pamboycha green room long lasi mayotli long stame nalit mapan aning kimi pen pitadejia pansi chining rilo. Putot rui chule totpo. Mara community pen alang li wallet chipamboycha lasi mayotli long stame ning kimi pen pitadejia pansi chining rilo.
Hello, check. Hello. 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 Reverb অলপ কম কৰিবা। Hello. 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 Check. Hello. 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 Kardom, Ladakh, Pinning Way, Patumi Pen Ketching, Napen Pinning Wayan, Ingdeng Troxicab Raketom, Ilitum Along Re Long Depen Ketchok, Labanswat Achatayalong, Nilipanta, Pacharli Nang, Patheg Nang, Pukaching Honamen Pen, Nilipan Ladakh, Lam Alom Soviet, Lun Palunang, po Apornaki Pipot, Aprangsi, Ladakh, Ilitum Karbiang Autonomous Council, along ki kibom akithe kiding man kido lapen